Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. ReactOS 0.4.15 is here, and it brings a wave of improvements for this fascinating open source project that many still don't even know exists. But first, what is ReactOS? ReactOS is an open source operating system that aims to be binary compatible with Microsoft Windows, especially Windows Server 2003 and XP. In other words, you can run Windows applications and drivers without Windows. Started in the late 90s, the project has slowly evolved over time. It's still considered alpha software, but it's one of the most unique experiments in the open source world. Now with version 0.4.15, we're seeing big progress. Over 5,000 commits have landed, including major updates to the NT kernel architecture, memory management, and user mode DLLs. The system is more stable, more responsive, and more compatible with real-world Windows software. Graphical improvements and hardware support have also improved. Explorer, the system's shell, now feels even more like the classic Windows interface. It's important to note, ReactOS is not based on Linux. It's built from scratch, re-implementing the Windows NT architecture without using any Microsoft code. One of its most practical uses, despite being a hobbyist project, could be in reviving old industrial or technological systems still running on NT4 or similar legacy platforms. That said, the road to real-world usability is still long, and if your goal is to run Windows apps on open source, Wine on Linux still performs far better. But if you're a Windows enthusiast, a reverse engineering geek, or just curious about open source operating systems, ReactOS 0.4.15 is absolutely worth exploring. It's not ready for daily use, but it's an impressive technical effort and a reminder of how far passion projects can go. Thank you for watching.